In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a real account on Expert Option. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open your preferred web browser and go to the official website, which is expertoption.finance. Once the homepage loads, look for the register button, which can be found on the top right corner, and then you can use your business or personal email, and to make the account creation faster and easier, you can also sign up using your Facebook, Google, and then follow the on-screen instructions. What will happen is you will be forwarded to a new page. All you have to do is select your language, which is going to be English, and then after that, you need to choose if you want to continue with demo trading, and by default, you have successfully created a real account here in Expert Option. But if you want to continue with demo trading, you can do that as well. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to create a real account on Expert Option. Now you can deposit, trade, and withdraw your earnings. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.